Hi, my name is Jonathan James. I'm a board-certified family attorney and partner at Goranson Bain Ausley. Things that are unnecessary that can rock the boat in a case, I think, are different for each case. We have a toolkit available to us under the law to use in the litigation process. And all of those tools have a distinct purpose, but there's no one-size-fits-all every tool for every case. And so, for example, there may be cases where it's completely unnecessary to take a certain person's deposition. You know, a litigant may want to do it because it may feel good, it may feel revengeful to put somebody through that they may not be in agreement with right now, but it may achieve no really positive result in their case, and therefore possibly unnecessary, and possibly will just open up wounds that don't need to be opened up in the family law litigation realm. We may not need to litigate a particular issue or run to the courthouse on a particular issue in a case unless there's some right that needs to be protected. And the only reason we would be doing that is just to fight, which, if we're fighting for the sake of fighting, I think we've already lost sight of what we're trying to do. We're trying to reach a resolution, be that through settlement or through trial. Now, this does not mean that we are afraid of litigating or going to court and doing what we need to do, but it also means that we're doing it for a purpose. We're doing it to protect a right. We're doing it to meet a goal. Family law is unique to a lot of other types of lawsuits. There's oftentimes a familial relationship that's going to continue after between the parties, meaning the parties may see each other a lot after the divorce process is over, especially if they have minor children together or even adult children together. We cannot just burn every bridge in the relationship just for the sake of getting the result in the case. I often talk to my clients about, what happens when your child gets married? What happens when the first grandbaby comes around? Do you want to put it on your adult child to not be able to be in the same room as your ex-spouse in those situations? So it's very important to focus on those long-term implications of the actions we're taking now. Secondly, the divorce case, the family law case, is typically funded with the estate of the parties, with the parties' financial resources. The same financial resources that we're dividing in a divorce case. The more we're spending for unnecessary type things in the litigation process, the smaller that pie is that we're going to divide. We want to be very careful and prudent about making sure the cost-benefit analysis is there, making sure we're not throwing away dollars to chase pennies.